Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you I built out a React.js file and media converter directly in browser. So it can actually convert your videos, images, audio, all in one converter. So the interface looks something like this. We are running it on localhost. So we have started this React application. So all the source code you can directly purchase it. The link is given in the description. Each and every component, as you can see, it's customizable. I coded this from scratch inside React.js in TypeScript. So everything is customizable, each and every component, as you can just see right here. And in the package.json, we are using the latest version of React, Mammoth. As you can see, we are also using ImageMagick and FFMPEG WebAssembly library. So all these libraries we are using it. It's also very easy for you to deploy this. So interface is quite simple. You select any sort of image. Let's suppose I selected a PNG image. And from drop down, you can actually select all these formats. You can convert this to JPG, WebP, SVG, anything. So let me select a format WebP, click on convert, and it will actually convert this for me. And now you can download this image. So it converted this PNG image to WebP image. It's very simple. The interface is quite simple. And at one time, you can select multiple images as well. So let's suppose you want to convert all these images. Simply select a bunch of images. And now here you can select which format. You can select different formats as well. And then we have this button of convert all. We also have the settings options as well. So here you can control the quality, maximum width, quality of the image, resolution, everything. So at one time you can select multiple images. It's so easy for you to do this. It will save you a lot of time. So click on convert all, and one by one it will convert all your images to the required format. So you can just see here how easy it is, and then you can click the download button. You can see that it converted this to a SVG file. So it's a SVG file successfully converted. And same goes with all the formats. It also compresses the image perfectly. Same, you can even select audio file as well. So it also supports images, audio, video, documents as well. So PDF also. So there is no uploads. It all happening directly in the browser. There is no backend. It's a single page application. So you can basically select, this is the audio file. You can select, convert this into MP3 to WAV. So it directly runs in the browser. As you can see, it's for building this, let me show you the dependencies. So ImageMagick, if you don't know, ImageMagick is a very popular library. So now to use this ImageMagick, we are using this Magick WebAssembly library. So it allows you to use ImageMagick directly in the browser using this ImageMagick. So we are using this. Apart from that, we are also using FFmpeg WebAssembly library, which is again a library for using FFmpeg directly in the browser. So we are also using this as well. So which directly allows you to use FFmpeg directly in the browser. And apart from that, we are using the latest version of React. If you still face any issues, guys, after purchasing the project, I will definitely help you. It's easy for you to deploy this application. It's just a single page application which runs directly in the browser. And from here, you can drag and drop your files, multiple files to convert from one format to another. So every file is coded inside TypeScript. So if you're interested in this, the link is given.